Record?
Yep.
See this? From my junior year from Sexton. Dangerous firecracker right there. Fuck Sexton.